Macho.
Macho.
Vegas.
Mama, son, Wanda, and Dallas, Texas. Full brother and sister from the Titans. I think Wanda was from the fifth litter.
Dallas.
No, she was the litter that only had 2, so she was 3 or 4. And then Dallas, of course, is number 3.
Y'all come chill with me. Yes, sir.
If I pick up this ball, here, let me get a good shot of Texas. Let me get a good shot of Texas. Big J. It's Big J in Texas. Notice the size of that joker.
And Big Macho.
Big Macho. That boy there gonna be something nice. Look just like his daddy, but a little bit more better features that we got out of that we wanted. Say, why you got a hoodie on, bro?
It's cold,
No, that ain't your ball. Here, Vegas. Here. Yeah. Come here, Vegas. Wanda, come here. Come on, Wanda. Wanda. Tick. Come here. Tick. Man, you getting me dirty. You get me dirty. You get me dirty. Oh, man. A dog like this. Macho. You ugly. I ain't kissing you. Macho. You have to wear the camera, ugly?
Just lay on my leg, bro. That's insane.
Wait.
I'm
gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you. She wants her ball. What? Look at Wanda. Wanda chilling. She got her ball. Vegas got her ball. I'm drenched in spit right now. Part of the dog game. Macho, if you don't get out the way, text. After a while, after you own one of these things, after a while, just getting spit and other body fluids on you is just a normal thing.
Not for me.
Get one.
Hey, not for me. Not for me.
Yeah, you got it on you too. I think you got some in your face.
Nuh-uh.
Right here, look at one. What are you recording? You falling asleep? Get one. Macho, get back over here. No. I got it. Here. Golly. Watch out, Macho. What? Let me see that. Throw it over here. Look.
Okay.
You can end it.